If you've ever dreamed of getting paid just to listen to music, then the promise from reviewnow.com of earning $36 an hour for reviewing Spotify songs might grab your attention instantly, but before you get excited, let's take a hard look at what's really going on here. At first glance, the website makes it sound like a perfect side hustle, especially for music lovers. Listen to tracks, give your opinion, and watch the money roll in. But as we dug deeper, some serious red flags started to appear. For starters, the moment you click Apply Now, instead of being taken to a secure application or onboarding process, you're redirected to completely unrelated and sometimes shady third-party websites. These sites are often packed with pop-ups, sketchy surveys, and misleading offers that seem more interested in harvesting your data than offering real work. The site also heavily uses Spotify's name and branding to make itself look legitimate, but in reality, there's absolutely no affiliation with Spotify at all, just a clever trick to gain your trust. There's also no company transparency, no contact info, no names, no physical address, no team, nothing that would tell you who is behind this platform or how they operate. And while they claim users are earning big money just for completing simple tasks or surveys, there's no proof, no testimonials, no payment screenshots, and no verified users sharing real results. It's all smoke and mirrors. While we didn't find direct evidence that it steals money, the lack of transparency, misleading advertising, and the shady redirections all point toward it being at best a waste of your time and at worst, a potential privacy risk. So if you're thinking of signing up because it sounds like a dream job, pause for a moment and think again. It's easy to fall for big promises online, but it's even easier to lose time, energy, and possibly your personal data if you're not careful. Stick around as we break down every detail and help you spot the warning signs of platforms like reviewnow.com before you get fooled.